What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT full form is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It has a remarkable ability to interact in conversational form that is easy to understand for a human. As the name suggests, generative is a model that can generate text. Pre-training relates to the fact that the model has enormous amount of data in it. The transformer in GPT refers to the architecture of AI model. Hence, ChatGPT means that this AI is capable of handling both long and short requests. It can also generate text of variable length as per the user's command. Who created ChatGPT? ChatGPT was created by a San Francisco based artificial intelligence company which is OpenAI. What can ChatGPT do? It can write a code, debug code, help you to get ideas for a party decoration, complete assignment questions, extract data from the text, solve math questions, write an article, translate into different languages, write a story or poem.